time. But next we do have our weather station. The installation of this does need to be like this. We have an L-shaped bracket. The housing of the weather station actually sits down. Now if we turn it up this way, you can see you'll get water to collect in here if it rains, etc. You expose the sensor, so we do want to keep it down, protect it from the elements, but also read information from those elements. This can be secured simply by using 2 screws. Alright, and I will screw it in the rest of the way, but I wanted to point out that we want to be center line with the fan for this. The reason we stay center line is we don't want it off to the side. Exhaust from the fan can affect the readings that this is getting and change exactly what our system is supposed to be doing based on incorrect data. So we do try to keep it as accurate as possible. This we do also want to make sure it's level, so I'm going to place the level here. That looks good right there. Just to double check the level, because there was movement there. Alright, that looks good. Next with the weather station, we want to secure this 2-wire that's going to run to our bin manager. In order to do this, we do want it to be straight down and straight over to the bin. So what I'm going to do is follow the ridge line over to the middle of this weather station, and I'm going to place a small J-clip. In this case, I place that J-clip facing up, because that's going to provide us the ability to run straight behind the bin manager. We also want a small drip and/or expansion loop. This is going to prevent water from feeding into any holes inside the bin, inside the equipment that we don't want to happen. Next, we'll go ahead and run this 2-wire behind the bin manager. Once you have some experience doing this, you'll know that you can cut this wire quite a bit shorter. You don't have to run the entire wire behind there. But we do want to secure it here so that it keeps this line straight and secures that wire over time. And there you have it, your bin manager, APS plenum sensor and weather station installed, aside from the wiring.